This is Suite 405 at Portrait Suites, a former cemetery in Milano. It's very new and it's very good. It's won all kinds of awards already, like the best new hotel in the whole of Europe. Look what I've got on the book side. Gaudi. My gosh, it's gorgeous. Gaudi, Hockney. The design is absolutely beautiful. And look how they kind of fold the curtains. Imagine being here in a seminary. Oh my goodness, look at the garden I'm looking out at. It really is absolutely gorgeous. And the people down at front desk were so thoughtful and kind. Oh, and I've got a welcome tea next to a book on Michele Bonan, who is the designer of this. The bed looks extremely welcoming. My flight was 90 minutes late coming in. And it's amazing. We're in the center of Milan, and yet it looks very countrified. A nice desk with sockets that I need badly for my laptop. Gorgeous closet. And the bathroom. Well. Enormous shower. Ferragamo toiletries, of course, because Ferragamo owns this. It's very sleek. This has to be one of the world's biggest toilet spaces. It's interesting, the suite is not overtly large actually, but I would say that it feels amply spacious, and somehow the windows do give a monastic feeling in a way. And I like the self-colored raised work on the ceiling. Italian style is how the curtains, they fall to the ground, but look where they emanate from. Very sleek.